Hey guys, I'm in my Chrysler 200 right now. A couple of days back I had some issues with it, wasn't able to start, as well as there's no crank going on. So I'm not too familiar with the vehicle. I've had it for about 18 months or so. And after checking a couple of forums, I found out what had happened was that it got locked up with the panic button on the fob. So I had on accident pushed this button here and I didn't realize it. So that really locks everything up. Normally you got to push the brake pedal down and then push the start key over here, or excuse me, the start button, and it fires right up. Well, I couldn't even do that. I couldn't push down the brake pedal. It was all tight and all this, tighter than it should have been. So after checking out some forums, what had happened, I found this out, and the way to this is called a key fob reset. What you're doing. Now what you need to do is hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the fob for 10 seconds. Now after about 7 or 8 seconds, you'll hear the vehicle will make a slight honking sound. And then you want to let them go after 10 seconds, and then push the lock down 2 times. And then push the lockdown once. And then you should have done what they call a key fob reset. Alright, so hopefully this helps you guys out. Another possible solution, if you're not able to start the vehicle, you may have low batteries on your fob. I know that's one of the issues. So at the dealer, they told me if that's the case, what you do is you just put the fob next to it, and then you would push the button as well, and that'll work for a little bit until you can be able to replace out the batteries. I did how to change out the battery a few weeks back. It takes a 2032 and the remote or the key fob. So hopefully this guy helps you guys out. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. I'll see you soon.